Hi, welcome back to Classical Grooming. Today, it's a first impressions video. I've ordered something from Fragrance Net. I thought I'd unbox it and show you some of the more classical fragrances that I picked up for rather inexpensive. All these are pretty cheap. I think the most expensive one was $18. Oh boy. A small bottle of P. Sebastian. The thing about cheapies is it's kind of hard to find samples, right? Generally speaking, they're too inexpensive for people to repackage and sell as samples. So you kind of either have to buy the whole thing or not at all. So let's give this a shot here. Yeah, that's going to be nice. So it's very old school. It's got a definite barbershop odor to it. I'm going to set that down and kind of see what the dry down's like. But I'm going to look forward to seeing what this one's like on skin. It's a Paul Sebastian by Paul Sebastian. I think it's called Paul Sebastian Fine by Paul Sebastian, but I'll look it up. My next one is from the house of Jovan. It's Sex Appeal. This is my fourth Jovan fragrance. I do tend to enjoy Jovan quite a bit. They're inexpensive, and for what they're worth, or rather for what you pay for them, they are quality. As much quality as you can expect for $10, right? This one's different than I expected. It is a fougere, but it's kind of got a fruity note to it. Let's see if I can get another blast on there. Yeah. That's going to be fun. Jovan Sex Appeal. This is kind of the standard bottle that all the Jovans come in. So, I don't know what to make of that one. That's different. Third is tobacco. Now I have the cologne, which I love a lot. I have not yet reviewed. I wanted to get the aftershave before I did that. The bottle is expected. Again, I'm already wearing something. My scent of the day is Stetson. Probably do a review of that eventually. Yeah, that's going to be nice. Floral. A little bit of spice. So I'm excited. This is the one I've actually been looking forward to the most. They sent me a box with the top ripped off. That's kind of a rip-off. All right, now I have to... I do like to keep the boxes. I use them to decorate my office, so... Lots of lavender in this one. Thing is, you really can't tell exactly what they smell like until you have them on skin. So far, the most interesting of the bunch is the PS Fine. bottle there. It must have been a tester. Next is Lomani Pour Homme. This was turned on to me by Kellen of Sense of South Jersey. And let's figure out how I can do this without ruining the box here. Here's the bottle. It's different than what I had imagined. It is kind of Drakkar Noir-like. But it's a little more citrus forward, which I kind of like. Not so much cardamom. Not as spicy, which I'm going to dig. There we are. Next one is Bijan. Now, I actually did get a sample of this before I bought this one, so I know I like this one quite a bit. Oh, built-in sprayer. That's good. Spice, leather, sweet. It's a sweet leather, which I really dig. Again, I've worn this. I've worn this on, of course, on skin. So this I know is definitely a winner for me. My last one, Furio, by Jacques Bocard. Now I'm actually a little afraid to pull this off because I'm afraid my office can smell like Furio for the rest of the day. There we go, finally. That's that funky flowers. Oh yeah. This is really nice. Now, the opening can be a little animalic at first, which I don't mind, but some people do. But it does settle down. The flowers come a little bit more forward, and the funk kind of takes the back seat. So it all in all turns out really well. So here's the bottle. So I'm going to go back and... Yeah, the PS Fine is really different. I can't quite put my finger on what it smells like, but I think this is one that's really going to have to be on skin for me to get a good feel of it. Going back to sex appeal. On paper, it's almost flowers, fruits, and nuts. It's almost like a flower granola, which, so I'm going to definitely have to get this on skin. Very lavender forward. And I can still smell citrus. Going back to Elizabeth Taylor's Passion for Men. Sweeter. It's got a little vanilla or something in there. Okay. Bijan, it's just so good. It's just so good. Back to the Furio. Yeah, it's awesome. So of my 3 just from trying on paper, right? Bijan is the one I'm most excited to wear more often because I've tried it. I tried it on skin. I know it's good. Furio, again, I've also tried this on skin, and that's why I got the bigger bottle. And that's probably my number 2. Paul Sebastian Fine. I don't know what to think. I'm gonna think that's somewhere in my number 3, but until I get it on skin, I just won't know for sure. Both lavender fragrances. This one's got kind of a vanilla base. This one is more citrus. Again, don't really know until they're on skin. And the Jovan, that's just gonna be the wild card. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but I couldn't tell you what exactly it smells like. So again, it's got a little sharp floral, something sweet, and again, kind of like an almond, kind of a sweet almond in there. Again, on paper, it doesn't really mean anything, but I just wanted to kind of share my excitement at opening up the box and kind of getting my first impression of these classical fragrances. I'm excited to try them out. I'm excited to review them in the future and give you a better description and a better experience, at least from my perspective. Thank you so much for stopping by Classical Grooming. If you like classical fragrances, or you like modern fragrances or modern styling products from a classical perspective, please subscribe. Thank you.